Are you looking for the best cameras for concert photography? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best cameras for concert photography on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. Sony Alpha VII IV. The Sony camera features a 33MP full-frame XMOR back-illuminated CMOS sensor, delivering exceptional image quality with enhanced low-light performance. Designed with a Sony E-mount, it supports versatile aspect ratios including 16:9, 1:1, 3:2, and 4:3, and offers an 8x optical zoom with a maximum aperture of 3.5mm. The powerful next-generation Beyond's XR image processing engine is 8 times more capable than its predecessor, enabling high-speed performance and efficient data handling. Video recording is supported at up to 4K 60p 10-bit for :2:2 with full pixel readout across all formats, along with 7K oversampling for stunning 4K 30p video with no pixel binning. The camera supports JPEG, RAW, and HEIF file formats and includes advanced metering modes such as center-weighted average, highlight weighted, multiple, and spot for accurate exposure in various lighting conditions. Sensor shift image stabilization helps capture sharp, steady shots, while the S-Cinetone color profile allows for beautiful and cinematic color expression straight out of the camera. Built for a wide range of environments, it operates between 0 to 40 degrees Celsius, 32 to 104 degrees Fahrenheit, and supports a rated input of 100-240V, 50/60 Hz, 0.2a. Number 2. Nikon Z6 II. The Nikon Z6 II brings mirrorless versatility to a new level with its 24.5MP backside illuminated BSI CMOS sensor, delivering outstanding resolution and performance, especially in low-light environments. Featuring the Nikon Z mount and a cinematic 21:9 aspect ratio, this camera supports JPEG file formats and provides sensor shift image stabilization for steady shots. It offers 1x optical zoom with a maximum aperture of f/4 and an expanded ISO minimum of 100, ensuring flexibility in various lighting conditions. With full-frame 4K UHD video capabilities at 60p using full pixel readout, the Z6 II is ideal for serious videographers. It supports rapid subject acquisition and improved autofocus performance, backed by a 14 fps continuous shooting rate and 3.5x more buffer capacity than its predecessor, the original Z6. The dual card slots, CFexpress, XQD and UHSI-ISD, offer flexibility and security, perfect for high-stakes scenarios like weddings or event photography. Thoughtfully designed for comfort and ease of use, the camera is also vertical grip ready for enhanced power and handling in vertical shooting. USB-C constant power and charging support ensures uninterrupted operation during live streams, video shoots, or time-lapses. The Z6 II is compatible with a growing range of Nikon Z lenses and approximately 360 f-mount Nikon lenses via the FTZ mount adapter, sold separately, making it a powerful and adaptable choice for both photographers and videographers. Number 3. Fujifilm X-T4 camera. The Fujifilm X-T4 is a powerful and versatile mirrorless camera designed for photographers and videographers who demand both reliability and creative flexibility. Built around a CMOS sensor and Fujifilm X mount, it supports aspect ratios of 16:9, 1:1, and 3:2, and saves images in JPEG, RAW, and TIFF formats. The X-T4 features advanced sensor shift in-body image stabilization, IBIS, that provides up to 6.5 stops of compensation, helping to capture sharp and steady images even in challenging handheld situations. It also includes a 4-axis digital image stabilizer, giving creators even more control during motion. At its core is a newly developed mechanical shutter, Fujifilm's fastest and most durable in the X series, capable of shooting at up to 15 frames per second and rated for 300,000 actuations. Paired with a high-capacity battery that delivers up to 600 shots per charge, the X-T4 ensures you won't miss critical moments. The camera's 1.62 million pixel vari-angle touchscreen LCD can be adjusted for a variety of shooting angles or completely hidden when discretion is needed, while the 3.69 million pixel electronic viewfinder offers a crisp 100 frames per second display. The X-T4 is also a robust video tool, offering DCI 4K, 60p and Full HD, 240p super slow motion recording, F-Log 10-bit color internal recording, and AFC subject tracking that functions even in low light down to -6 EV. Designed for hybrid creators, a simple switch shifts the camera from photo to movie mode seamlessly. Lastly, Fujifilm's renowned film simulations are at your fingertips, including the newest edition, Eterna Bleach Bypass, for a desaturated, high-contrast look that evokes cinematic storytelling. The X-T4 is a complete imaging solution for those who demand excellence in both stills and motion. Number 4. Sony Alpha A6600. The Sony ILCE6600B is a high-performance mirrorless camera built for speed, precision, and versatility, featuring a Sony E-mount and a 24.2 MP APS-C XMOR sensor. With support for RAW file format, SensorShift 5-axis in-body image stabilization, and an expanded ISO minimum of 50, it ensures high-quality results even in challenging conditions. The camera offers a fast maximum aperture of f2.8 and supports aspect ratios of 16:9, 1:1, and 3:2. Boasting the world's fastest autofocus speed at just 0.02 seconds, it includes real-time AF tracking and real-time IAF for both humans and animals, delivering exceptional subject tracking. The wide 425 phase detection and 425 contrast detection AF points cover approximately 84% of the sensor area, enabling accurate focus across the frame. It supports continuous shooting at up to 11 frames per second with full AF, AE tracking, making it ideal for action and wildlife photography. Additional features include touch tracking for intuitive focus control, a headphone and external mic jack for professional audio monitoring, and real-time movie AF. The camera is well equipped for creators, coming with a lithium battery, NP, FZ100, AC charger, AC, UUD12, USB cable, body cap, and strap, making it a complete package for serious photographers and videographers alike. Number 5. Sony RX100 VII. The Zeiss-compatible camera is a compact yet powerful imaging tool equipped with a 20.1 MP 1.0 type stacked CMOS sensor and a Zeiss Variosonar T24 to 200mm lens offering a fast f2.8, f4.5 aperture and an impressive 8x optical zoom. It supports aspect ratios of 16:9, 3:2, and 4:3 and saves images in JPEG and RAW formats. With both optical and digital image stabilization, the camera ensures sharp and steady results even during handheld shooting. It boasts an incredibly fast autofocus speed of 0.02 seconds, powered by 357-point focal plane phase detection AF and 425-point contrast detection AF systems. The camera supports blackout-free continuous shooting at up to 20 frames per second, performing AF, AE calculations up to 60 times per second for fast-moving subjects. AI-based real-time tracking and touch tracking enhance both stills and video, while real-time IAF is available for humans in both stills and movies, and for animals in stills. Video creators benefit from 4K recording with S/Log3, interval shooting, and advanced stabilization modes, including active mode for 4K video and compatibility with the Movie Edit add-on. Additional features include a microphone jack, vertical video metadata recording, an operation in temperatures ranging from 0 degrees Celsius to 40 degrees Celsius, 32 degrees Fahrenheit to 104 degrees Fahrenheit, making it a versatile choice for serious photographers and content creators.